One of the benefits of kids playing with magnetic blocks is that it helps them develop their fine motor skills. Fine motor skills are important for tasks such as writing, drawing, and buttoning up clothing. By playing with magnetic blocks, kids can improve their hand-eye coordination and learn how to manipulate small objects. Another benefit of magnetic blocks is that they can help kids develop their creativity and problem-solving skills. When kids are given a set of blocks and told to build something, they have to use their imagination to figure out what to create. This process requires them to think critically and come up with innovative solutions. As kids play with magnetic blocks, they will learn how to approach problems from different angles and find unique solutions. In addition to the cognitive benefits, magnetic blocks also provide a number of physical benefits. Playing with magnetic blocks can help kids improve their dexterity and hand-eye coordination. Additionally, it can also help them develop their gross motor skills. Gross motor skills are important for tasks such as walking, running, and climbing. By playing with magnetic blocks, kids can develop the muscles in their arms and legs, which can lead to improved coordination and balance. Magnetic blocks are a great way for kids to have fun while also developing important cognitive, physical, and creative skills. If you are looking for a toy that will provide your child with hours of entertainment and learning, then magnetic blocks are a great option.